server-side scripting Python.
Hello, good morning, all viewers of my YouTube channel. And here is the session for today's class. And as I discussed Python programming language from the last few days. So in my last session, I have discussed about basic syntax of Python language. Now in this session, I am going to discuss about the variable types and what is a variable and what are different types of variable types and what are different types of data type we have in Python language and how can we use as when you need in while writing the Python program on Python editor. So before the start session, subscribe and like my channel Jairam Infotech and like my channel for more videos in coming days. So let's start the session. So first of all, what is a variable? A variable is assigned to store some values. As soon as when you create a variable, it occupies or it creates some space in the memory location. So this is about a variable. And how can we assign a variable? We can assign how can we assign a value to a variable? By using the assignment operator is equal to, by using assignment operator is equal to, we can assign a value to a variable. Like this, here consider this example. Here counter is a variable. I am assigned a value called 100 and miles is a variable assigned value 1000.0 is a float value, 100 is the integer value, and next name is a variable type, and next assigned a value John. John is of type string type and which is enclosed in double quotes, and that is of type string type. And next here consider these three print functions here first one is the counter, next one is the miles, next one is the name. These three are printed line by line. First one counter value is printed and next mile value is minus printed and next one the name is printed. So the first 100 printed, next 1000, next John. So all these are printed on the output screen is like the 100 printed, 1000.0 John. And next one is the multiple assignment. How can we assign multiple values at a time by using the assignment by using the is equal to we can assign multiple values. So like is like this. Here is the future, here is the way to assign multiple values at a time. Here a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1. So this is the way to assign multiple assignment. We have also another assignment called here. I am using different data types and different variables. It has a different values. So a is assigned to 1, b assigned to 2, c is assigned to John. So these are the three different variables and which are assigned to three different types of data types. Different data types assign different type of values. So this is another example for the multiple assignment in Python. And next one is the standard data types. We have the different types of data type in order to store the values, and we can use the data types as when we need the program. So these are the first one is number into data type, next one is string, next one is the list, next one is the tuple, next one is the dictionary. So here first one is the number. How can we assign? By using the variable. Here by using the variable, this is a variable 1, assign a value 1, variable 2, assign a value 2, variable weight equal to 2. So this is the assignment of values to variables. How can we delete a particular variable or particular variable values? By using the delete keyword del. By using this keyword del, we can delete the variable values and variables accordingly. So this is the way. Here a del space where, this means this variable is deleted, and next one is the variable underscore here. That means the particular value with the corresponding variable will be deleted by as soon as you you use a keyword del before the data types and before the variables. So and next, if along with this, Python also supports the integer sign data type, and next one the floating point values, and next one is the complex values. And consider next we have the string means we have collection of characters. Though collection of characters are enclosed in double quotes, single quotes, so those are called as a string. Consider this example. Here I have a string called hello world, which is enclosed in single quotes and assigned to the string str value. So consider this as a string, and here is a value called hello world. Here first I am printing the total string value. Next I am print of string 0 represents the strings 0 position. Next I am printing the string second position to fifth position. Next I am printing the up to string second position. Next I am printing the next I am multiplying the string. That means I am displaying the string side by side. Next I am concatenating the string by using the print string of test. It means concatenating the string with another string. And next it is the output for the above values. And next we have a data type list. Has the different types of items which are separated by commas, and those items are enclosed in square brackets. Is like consider this example. We have the different types of items called ABC 786 2.23 John 70.2. So these are different type of items of list, and those are separated by commas. So this is the way to as a way to create a list. And here is the tiny list. We have tiny list and another list called tiny list, and it has a values called 1 2 3 and John included in single quote. So it is of integer type, and 1 2 3 is of integer type. And next I am printing the values. Print of list, that means it displays the total values in the list. And next print of list of 0, that means it displays the 0th position of the list. And next print list 1 2 3, that means it displays the print first position to third position. And next list of 2, here colon is placed, colon is placed after the 2, that is displays the list 0th position to second position. And next we are printing the tiny list side by side. Here I am printing the tiny list. This is a multiplying symbol of 2, that means I am displaying the tiny list side by side. And next I am multiplying the tiny list with the tiny list, and this is the way. These are the values for the above example. And next one, Python tuple. So by using list, we have a data type called tuple. By using tuple, this tuple has a different type of values, and those values are also separated by commas, and those values are enclosed in parentheses. So this is a way to assign a tuple, a way to create tuple by using tuple keyword. And this is the ABCD is the one value and separated by comma. Next 786 separated by comma. Next 2.20 float, which is of a float type, separated by comma. Next John is of integer string type, separated by comma. Next 70.0 is a float type. So these are different type of values assigned to tuple. And next I am displaying the same values on the output screen. First I am printing a total tuple. Next I am displaying the tuple the 0 position. Next I am displaying the tuple 1 to 3rd position. Next I am displaying the print tuple of 2 colon. It represents the print replace the tuple second position. That means I am displaying the tuple the 0 value, 1 value up to second value only. Tuple of 2 colon displays the up to tuple second value. It displays on the output screen. Next I am displaying the tuple side by side, and next I am concatenating the tuples. So that about tuple. And next we have dictionaries. What is my dictionary? By using dictionaries equal to square bracket, we can create a dictionary. And here I have the 3 dictionaries are there. In first dictionary of 1, it is a 1 type, and it has a value called disease 1. And next second dictionary of 2, it is a value called disease 2. And third dictionary, it has the some values and corresponding this has the items and corresponding values. This one is the name, and it has a value called John. Next one is the code, it has a value 6734. Next is the department, it has a value called sales. And next I am printing the all dictionaries one by one. First I am printing the dictionary of 1, and next I am printing the dictionary of 2. Next I am printing tiny dictionary, and next I am displaying the keys. What are keys? Name is one type of key, John is a key, and next one is the code is a key, department is a key. And next in next print statement I am printing the values of the corresponding keys. That means print of tiny dictionary dot values. That means it displays the corresponding values of the keys. So this is about the output of the above. And next along with this we have data type conversion. In order to convert the one data type with another data type, we have data type conversion is there. So the conversion is going to take place in Python. Observe this table while watching this video, so that you can understand the how can the Python interpret Python compiler is going to convert the data types and display on the output screen. So this is something all about the variable types in the Python language. So friends, please subscribe and like my channel, and share my channel to reach many, and wait for more videos in coming days. Thank you and all, have a good day.